This woman gave up a multi-million-dollar business just for dogs, and she does not regret it at all. Who is she? Why did she do this? And how much money did she give up on? On the small island of Sri Lanka, I found Otara.
Hi, I'm Otara. I'm giving street dogs a better chance at life.
Otara is no ordinary woman. She's a real-life superhero for the most ignored animals in her country, street dogs. You see, in Sri Lanka, there are about 1 to 3 million street dogs today. Most of them need immediate help. And Otara knew this was a huge problem and she wanted to fix it. But for this, she needed money. Lots of money. So she went into business. She started selling clothes from the back of her car and she started making a small profit. Then she started to grow her business and she opened a shop. She took $50 from her family and set up her first shop and called it Odell.
My business always reflected my love for animals. The first products I sold were souvenir t-shirts showing Sri Lanka's wildlife.
Soon enough, her shop became very popular and Otara was able to turn her tiny shop into a huge department store. Think Macy's in America. It was the first one of its kind in the whole of Sri Lanka.
I was the first woman in my country to take a company public, and I ended up opening 16 stores later.
In no time, she became a successful businesswoman, and that is when she could help those who desperately needed help. Street dogs. She started with one puppy lying on the side of the road. She picked him up and took him home to take care of him. And she called him Nico. And then she started a whole new company dedicated to helping animals.
At Embark, we sell clothes and accessories that help fund our different rehabilitation and rescue programs, and at the same time conveys a positive message about saving animals.
She hired local dog lovers, launched a rescue and treatment program, and even created a pet ambulance. She worked day and night, night and day. And today, Otara has managed to improve the lives of over 80,000 stray dogs.
Embark became bigger than I ever expected, and there came a point where I needed to focus on one thing that I loved the most.
Eventually, she decided to sell her multi-million-dollar business and focus on helping dogs. You will find her in Sri Lanka working to give a voice to those without a voice.
It's so tiny. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, be careful.
People like Otara show us that real success does not come from having a business or fancy things. Real success comes only from helping others. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.